Most people don't lose respect because of one big mistake. It usually happens slowly. Little things you do every day can change how people see you without you even noticing. Let's walk through 7 habits that slowly make people stop taking you seriously. 1. Explaining yourself too much. Explaining once is normal. Explaining again is okay. But when you keep explaining the same thing, it starts to sound like you don't fully trust your own decision. People respect you more when you're confident and don't need to keep defending yourself. You've probably been here. You tell a coworker you can't take on another task. Then you start adding reasons, deadlines, family stuff, being tired, already overloaded. By the end, it sounds less like a decision and more like you're asking for approval. 2. Saying yes when you really want to say no. Sometimes you say yes just to keep the peace. But when you do that too often, people slowly start treating your time like it doesn't matter. Respect comes when people know you have limits and you're willing to hold them. This one's familiar. Your boss or client gives you extra work late in the day. You already planned to go home, but you say yes anyway. After a while, staying late stops being a favor. It just becomes expected. 3. Reacting too fast. When you react immediately, emotion is usually driving. That's when things come out sharper than you meant. That's when small issues turn into bigger ones. The person who pauses first usually comes across as calmer and more grounded. Think about the last time this happened. A frustrating email or text comes in. You fire back right away. Later, you realize a slower response would have saved you a lot of trouble. 4. Talking big, but doing nothing. Everyone has plans. Talking about them feels good. But when words never turn into action, people stop waiting for results. Respect isn't built on intention, it's built on follow-through. You've seen this play out. Someone keeps saying they'll start working out, save more money, or finally fix things at home. Months pass, nothing changes. Eventually, the talk stops meaning anything. 5. Laughing when something actually bothers you. Joking can be healthy, but using it to hide discomfort usually backfires. If you never show when a line is crossed, people don't know where to stop. Respect doesn't come from being easygoing all the time. It comes from being clear. Here's a moment that sneaks up on people. A coworker keeps making jokes at your expense. You laugh it off to avoid tension. So it keeps happening. Not because they're trying to be rude, but because you never showed it mattered. 6. Trying too hard to be liked. Wanting to be liked is normal. Everyone feels that pull. But when you adjust yourself to fit every room, people stop knowing where you actually stand. Consistency builds trust, and trust leads to respect. You might recognize this. At work, you agree with everyone in meetings. Later, you vent about those same decisions at home. Over time, people notice the gap and start taking you less seriously. 7. Not keeping your word. This one feels small, but it adds up fast. Every time you say you'll do something and don't follow through, a little trust disappears. Respect grows when your words line up with what you actually do. Think about how this usually looks. You say you'll handle something for your family or team. It gets delayed, then delayed again. Eventually, people stop relying on you, not out of anger, but out of habit. None of these habits look serious in the moment. That's why they're easy to ignore. But respect doesn't vanish overnight. It fades through small patterns repeated over time. Clean up the small habits, and respect has a way of returning without you ever having to demand it.